Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today I just want to show you how this brake compressor toolkit works. You'll see here, this one for example has 3 little notches, and if you look at the caliper piston, there's 3 notches for the tool to line up with. And so this is usually on rear brakes like this. I haven't seen it much on front brakes, but basically what you'll have to do is find the matching tool. You click it on, it's magnetic so it kind of holds it in place. And so you'll line up the notches on the actual caliper piston like this, and then as you start to twist the tool, it will turn that piston back in. So the piston usually just rotates clockwise, and as you do that, it rotates itself back in and compresses the piston. You need to make sure the brake reservoir cap is off for this too, by the way. And so you can see here as it twists, sometimes it compresses in, and sometimes it'll just sit here and spin, so it actually needs a little more force. And so the tool actually does have another attachment that helps spin and compress. And so that's this piece right here. What you do is you just slide it up over the handle, and it'll sit down here at the base, and then as you unscrew this, and it's left hand and right hand specific, but as you unscrew it, now what we're going to do is get that metal plate to lock onto the inside of the caliper, and then we still have our 3 notches here pushing the actual piston in as we twist it. So you'll twist the tool and then you'll spread it out, and it will spread that caliper apart. It's really just pushing that piston back in, and you can put a tool here, this is a 7/8 inch wrench, to tighten it and help compress it in. But you want to do a combination of the two. You want to try twisting it and turning that the tool itself, and then get on it with the wrench as we're showing here to help spread it open. Just kind of do them both at the same time. But anyway, that's how it works. And then when you're done, you just loosen it and it comes on out, and you can definitely see that that piston has been pushed back in, but that piston had to be twisted at the same time. So again, here's another view. You just want to make sure that that bracket is nice and tight, so you just keep unthreading it, and then just keep cranking on it and twisting it, and the combination of those two will push that piston back in. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll put some links into the video description on doing this on the Mustang and a Mazda and some other cars. And I'll put a link in the video description on where you can buy this kit. It's only 20 bucks, so it's going to come in handy. And yeah, I mean, a regular brake compressor tool is about 10, so for 10 more bucks you can get basically everything you would hopefully ever need. So anyway, thanks for watching. Put a thumbs up if you liked the video, and please subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Thanks, guys.